Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Naz with Hijabz&You with another quick and easy tutorial. Today I'm going to share with you how you can use an instant scarf. Just instantly put a scarf on and make it look like that. I've got full coverage, the back is covered, the front is covered, and you can do it instantly because it's called an instant scarf. And I do ask each and every one of you, my sisters, please, each one of you should have one of these in your closet or in your by your front door, because you know it helps. It's called instant scarf for a reason. If you need to and you're put in a situation where someone shows up and you don't have a scarf on, all you need to do is pull it on. So stay with me and let me show you how quickly we can use the instant scarf to get a really nice look, elegant but quick and easy. Stay with me. So my dear viewers, let me show you how quick and easy this is. It's a scarf that every one of you should have. And the reason I say that every one of us should have one is that if you're a hijabi and someone shows up at your door and you want to make sure that you are covered before you open that door, it is so quick and so easy that you pull it on, then have nothing to worry about, and you are covered. So this is very, very important that each one of us should have an instant scarf in our closet. And I usually have one, and I'm going to share you my secret, is I have one by my front door, in the closet by the front door. It's right there hanging on a hanger, that if anyone shows up at my door and I have to open the door, I don't have to run and fuss about, I'm not covered, because at home I don't wear my scarf. But when someone shows up, I must have my scarf on. So it's convenient, it's there, it sits there, and I get to use it every time somebody shows up at the door. So let's get right into this and let me show you how easy it is to wear this instant scarf. Now today I've got this nice cap on, and it's got some poof on it. It's beautiful. It's just absolutely gorgeous. It's not too much, and I don't want to ever have too much in the back here. I don't like it. I don't think it's, this is my option. This is my preference that I have it. I like it a very small poof in the back, and just to give it some form, but that's about it. And so here is the scarf. See, it's already stitched. It's got some really nice, see that, the pleats. And this is what we're going to do. All it is put it under your neck and bring it there. Simple as that. Now, if someone shows up at your door, you don't have to worry. You are now covered, right? Very simple, very easy, very elegant, and it's absolutely gorgeous. There's one, it has a bit of a longer side, and one that has a little bit of a shorter side. So I'm just going to show you how I wrap it. I don't like too much of my forehead showing, so, and this is so nice. It's already done. What we're going to do is we're going to pull the longer side. I'm going to pull it across, and I'm just going to let it sit in the back. I just want to have it sit in the back, and I'm going to use one of these nice little pins here, and I'm going to use a longer stick pin, and I'm just going to pin it there. And that's all we do. And for the other side, for the shorter side, we're just going to bring it down here and just leave it like that. We are covered, we are quick. Now this is just if you're using it on a daily basis and you want to have a nice covered look when you're going out. If you're using it from the front door, you don't even need to do all of this. You just pull it on and you're ready to face anyone with this, that you have your hijab on. And now what we're doing is I'm just going to put a pin here, and I'm going to use one of these stick pins, and I'm just going to put it nicely. And again, I'm going to use a stick pin there just to keep it uniform and make it nice and neat and presentable. And I'll show you what this looks. It's absolutely gorgeous. Now I'm wearing a little underscarf for coverage underneath, so I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back. There. What do you think? What do you think, my dear viewers? It's quite easy. It's quite simple. One pin. We don't need a pin because it's an instant scarf. I just put a stick pin here and the 2 here to keep it nice and neat. We've got full coverage. Absolutely beautiful, 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 beautiful. My dear viewers, each one of you should have one of these in your closet. It's a recommendation, okay? All right, I hope you like that. See how quick and easy that is? It's called an instant scarf because that's what it is. Instantly, it puts a scarf on your head. I hope you like it, and if you did like that, please hit the like button and share it with your friends and family, my dear viewers. It is important to share these tutorials with your friends and family, because if someone gets help or comfort from wearing a hijab and you've shared it with them, you will get the blessing, and so would I. So I'm working really hard for these blessings, so I hope you want these blessings as well, and you are going to work as hard with me. So please do share it with your friends and family. And my dear viewers, please subscribe to the channel. It's free of charge, and what it does is if you subscribe, every time I upload a video, you get a notification that I've uploaded a video, so you can see the video without missing any of it. And there's so much there for you. I mean, alhamdulillah, by the mercies of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, you are helping me to build this platform so beautifully, and I'm so thankful for each and every one of you that's with me on this journey. Thank you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless each and every one of you for being here with me. And until we meet again, do stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of your family, and please do your bit. COVID-19 is very much out there, and you know, the numbers just keep going up and up and up, so we must do our share and our bit to stay safe. Wash your hands often, use your sanitizer, make sure you have a mask on, and do your social distancing. And please, my dear viewers, don't go partying because it's not the time for it. Small gathering, your home, it's okay, but you know, don't go partying. Don't go out there and put yourself at risk for getting this sickness. So please do your bit. Until we meet again, this is Na saying take care. Assalamu alaikum.